How can a small push lift massive machines, cars, and even airplanes? The secret lies in one of the most powerful technologies ever invented, the hydraulic systems. From the moment you step into a car, board an airplane, or even witness the construction of a skyscraper, hydraulics are silently at work, enabling feats of strength that seem almost magical. But what exactly are these systems, and how do they achieve such incredible force multiplication? At its core, a hydraulic system is remarkably simple. Imagine two pistons, one small and one large, connected by an incompressible fluid, typically oil. When you apply a small force to the smaller piston, it creates pressure within the fluid. This pressure is then transmitted equally throughout the fluid, acting on the larger piston. Because the larger piston has a greater surface area, the same pressure results in a much larger force. This is Pascal's principle in action. Let's delve deeper into Pascal's principle. It states that a pressure change at any point in a confined, incompressible fluid is transmitted throughout the fluid, such that the same change occurs everywhere. Think of it like this: if you squeeze a toothpaste tube, the pressure you apply at one end is felt equally throughout the paste, pushing it out the other end. In a hydraulic system, this uniform pressure distribution is key to multiplying force. The force applied to the small piston creates a certain pressure. This identical pressure then acts over the much larger area of the second piston, resulting in a significantly amplified output force. It's a fundamental concept that underpins the incredible power of hydraulics. Now, let's break down the key components that make this principle a reality. The reservoir. This is where the hydraulic fluid is stored. It's not just a simple tank. It's crucial for maintaining the fluid level, allowing for thermal expansion and contraction, and dissipating heat generated during operation. It also helps in separating air and contaminants from the fluid, ensuring the system's longevity and efficiency. The pump. This device is the heart of the hydraulic system. It converts mechanical energy, usually from an electric motor or engine, into hydraulic energy. The pump draws fluid from the reservoir and pushes it through the system, creating flow. There are various types of pumps, such as gear pumps, vane pumps, and piston pumps, each suited for different applications based on pressure requirements and efficiency. Valves. These are the sophisticated control mechanisms of the system. They are the traffic cops of the system, ensuring fluid goes where it needs to go, when it needs to go there, and at the correct pressure and flow rate. Directional control valves. These direct the flow of fluid to different parts of the circuit, determining the direction of actuator movement. Pressure control valves. These regulate the system pressure, protecting components from overpressure and ensuring safe operation. Flow control valves. These manage the speed of the actuators by controlling the rate of fluid flow. Actuators. These are the muscles of the hydraulic system. They convert hydraulic energy back into mechanical energy, performing the actual work. There are two main types. Hydraulic cylinders. These produce linear motion, like the arm of an excavator or the lift of a car jack. They can be single-acting, extending under hydraulic pressure and retracting by gravity or a spring, or double-acting, extending and retracting under hydraulic pressure for more controlled movement. Hydraulic motors. These produce rotary motion, powering things like winches, conveyor belts, or the wheels of heavy machinery. They come in various designs, including gear motors, vane motors, and piston motors, each offering different torque and speed characteristics. Hydraulic fluid. This is the lifeblood of the system. It's specially formulated to be incompressible, allowing for efficient power transmission. Beyond that, it lubricates moving components, preventing wear and tear, and transfers heat away from critical areas, maintaining optimal operating temperatures. The choice of fluid is critical, considering factors like viscosity, operating temperature range, and environmental impact. The beauty of hydraulics lies in its ability to transmit power over long distances with minimal loss, provide precise control, and generate immense force from relatively small inputs. This makes them indispensable in countless applications across various industries. Consider the brakes in your car. When you press the brake pedal, you're applying a small force to a master cylinder. This generates hydraulic pressure that travels through rigid brake lines to slave cylinders at each wheel. This pressure, amplified by the larger surface area of the slave cylinders, multiplies the force to clamp the brake pads onto the rotors, bringing your vehicle to a smooth and controlled stop. This simple yet powerful system is a prime example of force multiplication in action, ensuring our safety on the roads. In construction, excavators, bulldozers, and cranes rely heavily on hydraulics. The powerful arms of an excavator, capable of digging through tough terrain, are controlled by a complex network. of hydraulic cylinders and valves. The precision required to lift heavy beams or place delicate components on a skyscraper is all thanks to the controlled power of hydraulics, allowing operators to perform intricate tasks with immense strength. Even in aviation, hydraulic systems are critical for safe and efficient flight. They operate landing gear, allowing massive aircraft to take off and land smoothly. They control surfaces like flaps and rudders, enabling pilots to maneuver the plane with precision. Furthermore, hydraulic systems, power braking systems, and even emergency systems, ensuring redundancy and safety in critical situations. Without hydraulics, modern aircraft simply wouldn't be able to fly or land safely. Beyond these common examples, hydraulics are everywhere. Think about the powerful industrial presses that shape metal, the lifting mechanisms in garbage trucks, the smooth adjustments of a dental chair, or the robust car lifts in an auto repair shop. Elevators in buildings, the steering systems in large ships, and even some advanced robotics utilize hydraulic power for their strength and precision. The marine industry, in particular, relies on hydraulics for steering, winches, and cargo handling due to its ability to operate effectively in harsh environments, while offering immense advantages in power density, precision, and safety. Hydraulic systems also come with their own set of considerations. They require regular maintenance to prevent leaks, which can be environmentally damaging and reduce efficiency. The fluid itself needs to be monitored for contamination and degradation. However, the benefits often far outweigh these challenges, making hydraulics a preferred choice for applications demanding high force and control. From industrial machinery in factories to the power steering in your car, and even in amusement park rides, hydraulic systems are everywhere, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. They are a testament to human ingenuity, harnessing the power of fluid dynamics to achieve the extraordinary. So, the next time you see a massive machine effortlessly lifting an impossible load, or feel the smooth stop of your car, remember the elegant simplicity and incredible power of hydraulic systems, a true marvel of engineering that continues to shape our modern world.